This is Deliverable 7, the Patient Healthcare Intake Packet for Advanced Healthcare Law and Ethics. What are the components of a patient intake packet? A patient intake packet has basic information such as name, address, telephone number, social security number, etc. It also has health information, family health history, as well as if you are taking any medications or allergic to any medications, as well as if you have had any surgeries or been hospitalized. What is the purpose of a patient intake packet? The purpose of a patient intake packet is determining a patient's needs, their medical history, physical and mental state, and any special requirements they may need. Each part of the intake packet is important because it gives peace of mind, patient experience, as well as efficiency and privacy. Patient intake forms ask for basic information and health history. Not to worry, we keep all of our patient information completely confidential. What are ethics? Ethics are described as moral philosophy, which is a system of moral principles which is concerned with what is good for individuals and society. Ethics is a branch of moral philosophy that guides people about the basic human contact. Why should we have professional ethics? They are a fundamental requirement for any profession. Direct and maintain a state of quality care environment. Good ethics are good business. And it also provides many ways for growth and development by leaving a good impression about an organization. The importance of ethics in a workplace is strongly to protect and respect the business in which you work for. Ethics are moral judgments regarding right and wrong. They change your lifestyle and your way of living. Ethics also promotes productivity and teamwork, essentially aligning the values of your business with those of your workers. Public image, you can learn a lot of respect and reflect a strong image in the public domain when you make the correct ethical choices. Decision-making in the workplace encourages a culture of making decisions based on ethics. This is the Three Mountains Regional Hospital Code of Ethics. Personal appearance. Obeying the laws of healthcare. Being caring and considerate. Obeying privacy and confidentiality policies. Avoiding conflicts of interest. Compliance of all policies and procedures. Taking accountability for one's actions. Also by choosing your words carefully. Being respectful to patients as well as your coworkers. Make differences into strengths. Protect your company assets. Attendance and punctuality. No use of cell phones at work. Implying the dress code. And no use of tobacco products in the workplace. Privacy policy and pledge. Your pledge is our priority. Professional data and health information are stored on a secure computer server. Personal data will not be sold, rented, or leased without your consent. No outside advertising will be conducted within Three Mountains Regional Hospital. You may choose your level of participation and amount and type of information shared. All data collected is transmitted, stored, and processed in a secure environment. Our pledge to you is that we are firmly committed to protecting your data and privacy. We understand that medical information about you and your health is personal. All information you share with us will be strictly confidential, and you control the amount of the information we receive about you. You have our pledge to protect your data and privacy. HIPAA and confidentiality. HIPAA assures that individuals' health information is properly protected while allowing the flow of health information needed to provide and promote high-quality health care and to protect the public's health and well-being. our goals are to assure individuals' health and private information is properly protected. We also protect the medical integrity program. We protect against fraud and abuse, and individuals putting their trust in this facility as we give them peace of mind. The HIPAA security regulations ensure that covered components, safeguarded, protected health information stored electronically. At Three Mountains Regional Hospital, we have implemented policies and procedures in the covered components to address the requirements of this regulation. The Health Insurance Probability and Accountability Act of 1996 rules create a framework to protect the medical privacy of patients and the health plan members. In general, HIPAA privacy regulations allow covered healthcare providers and healthcare plans to share information for the purpose of treatment, payment, and healthcare operations. Encouragement to sign the form acknowledging receipt. At Three Mountains Regional Hospital, we encourage all patients to sign this form acknowledging that persons have received all papers of the intake packet. This will ensure our patients have read and understand all information given. We strive for excellence in all aspects of this facility. As patients, we want you to have peace of mind and trust within the staff to ensure a smooth, carefree experience. This is our new patient consent form. Thank you for choosing the Three Mountains Regional Hospital. We are committed to providing you with the best possible medical care. Please carefully read the following and sign below. Consent for treatment. By signing this form, I consent and authorize my healthcare provider, assistants, or designees to examine and treat me. I understand that this could include medical treatment, lab tests, education, or other diagnostics procedures. I allow Three Mountains Medical Regional Hospital to access prescriptive claims history through an electronic prescription system as may be required for ongoing care and medication management. Protection of patient information. Please understand your patient information is held in confidence and that there is no information that will be given out without your direct consent. By signing this form, I acknowledge the notice of privacy practices and give permission to use information solely for the purpose of collection of claims. If information is requested by anyone or other company other than your insurance or yourself, you will need to provide us with the release of information in writing. I acknowledge that I have received all of these documents. If you have any other questions, here are some references and resources that may be able to answer your questions. Thank you.